So Tirthankara's vibratory connect is what my study was, and through that I found out that a particular shape of a Tirthankara had a particular Lanchan, a symbol given to them, and the shape, Lanchan, names, these are all created and given to each Tirthankaras. Timeline has been so old. When we talk of Rishabdev, we are talking of more than 1,00,000-year-old. So 100,000-year-old story of Rishabdev sitting at Mount Kailash Parvat. Nobody has the true recording of that particular timeline. Through myth and through mythology, from saints, from acharyas, from old ancestors of ours, we have found out that yes, we have some connect with the Tirthankaras, and that's what I try to study. And when I was studying the form and geometry of Tirthankaras, I could found that these Lanchans are the characteristic discourses, the characteristic Gyan and teachings of each Tirthankara is related to that particular symbol. But in the shape of the body is similar. Every Tirthankara's murti or a statue or idol is same, except the Lanchan is different. So I thought, why not understand the sacred geometry of each Tirthankaras through the science of fractals. Then I created 24 fractal shapes of each Tirthankaras, from first to the 24, characterizing with the number, characterizing with their characteristic, characterizing with the timeline they came into existence, the preaching, the teaching, the Gyan, the laws of nature, the enlightenment, whatever they have forwarded to this universe, to this mankind, to this life, to each and every Indri, from Ek Indri to Panch Indri. We are not looking at Tirthankaras as a shape, as a Lanchan, as a name. We are looking at these Tirthankaras as energy, the source of power, the source of Gyan. And that Gyan is emitting through the fractal movement of these geometries. So each and every fractal geometrical shape defines a Tirthankara. And Jains, when they specifically talk about their Tirthankaras, they make temples, they make prayer halls, they make meditation spaces. And for me, putting these specific fractal geometry in any part of your house will create an energetic temple around it. So this particular fractal geometry will define the vibration of that Tirthankara in your home. And that Tirthankara has a specific power, specific Gyan given. So each Gyan is related to each directions, each source, each chakras, each well-being vibration which we need, which our family needs, which our children need, which our elders need. So I have defined them in a particular shape, and these shapes, when prayed, when meditated, when you do stuti with them, when you close your eyes and think about the well-being that Tirthankara, the Gyan of the Tirthankaras, then you start connecting to that particular shape, and that shape through resonance start giving you power. So for me, each Tirthankara is a representation of a particular fractal geometry, and that particular geometry, when resonate with my body chakras, it aligns my chakras and help me do the dhyan. And when I am in the dhyan, I am in the stuti of that particular Tirthankara, I am getting his Gyan, I am getting the preaching inside me. And these are all happening through that Divya Dhvani, which is morphologically embedded in this universe. I am just tapping into it, I am just resonating with it. And when I am resonating with that vibration, which is maybe 2,000 or 10,000 or 100,000 year old, I am in resonance with these vibrations, and the Gyan comes to me. And this particular geometry helped me focus to do the dhyan, to get the geometrical connect, and to get that particular Gyan embedded into me.